Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, currently I am creating a tutorial series on React.js and this is my fifth video on this particular series. So I hope that you all are enjoying in learning and programming with me. Friends, this particular video will gonna be very interesting for you all guys. Why? Because I have created a practical application for you all guys. So this is an complimentary video from my side, and in this particular video I will demonstrate you about the calculator application which I have created by using the concepts of React.js. So here on your screen you can see that this is the calculator which I have designed, and you can see that this is a working model. So here let me demonstrate you. So here you can see that when I'm pressing these keys, then these inputs is reflecting on the calculator screen. So let me try to perform an add operation. So here I am adding 12 with 38 and let us see the output. So here you can see that we are getting our output as 50. And here I have given an all clear button. So here you can see that our input field is also getting cleared. Let me perform some complex operation like 10 plus 30 divided by 2. So guys, what do you think will be the output for this particular expression? So according to me, it should be 15 plus 10, that is 25. So let us see the output. So here you can see that we are getting our output as 25. Let me perform some complex operations like 25 into 10, that will be 250, and then I am adding it with 50. So here our output should be 300. Then I am subtracting 100 from this particular expression. So our output should be around 200, right? So let us check the output. So here you can see that we are getting our output as 200 and our calculator application is performing absolutely correct. So here you can see that all the buttons are working perfectly. So here I am pressing all the input keys for you guys. Let me clear it first. And friends, I have also added various validations on these operation keys. Let's take an example. If I'm clicking on 1 and when I'm pressing the plus button, then you can see that this plus is appended with our 1. Now if I'm again pressing this plus button, then here you can see that it is getting added only one time. Similarly with other keys, so here you can see that when I'm pressing different keys for performing different operations, so here you can see that it is not getting appended. And when I'm pressing 3, then again if I'm multiplying it, so here our operator is adding only once with our input string. And friends, you might be thinking that what if I press equal in this particular case? So here when I'm clicking on equal button, so here you can see that we are getting our output as 4, which means that I have also handled that particular case. Friends, I hope that you all must be interested in knowing that what is the actual logic which is written to develop this particular calculator application. So in my upcoming tutorial, I will explain you in detail about the logic that we have written to develop this particular calculator application. Stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel, and I would like to wish you all the very best for your learnings.